Hello everyone. Now the first experiment in the subject client-side scripting is to write a simple JavaScript with HTML for arithmetic expression, evaluation and message printing. So to perform this experiment we need to create a script tag inside the head tag. Okay, now the script tag is the one inside which you can write your client-side scripting code. With the help of your client-side scripting code you will be able to put some logic in your web page. Okay, you can perform something, some logical part, some calculation part, okay, inside your script tag. Now in order to print something on your web page we can use document.write function. By writing document then one dot and then write, and inside that within the double quotes you can print any message on your web page. Now document.write is similar to the printf statement in C language. Okay, so suppose that we have written this and we have written a hello message inside the document.write. We have saved it and then we can run it. So here you can see that the message is printed in the body of your web page. Now similarly, when you want to accept something from the user, so you can write prompt box or prompt function. Inside that you have to write one message to tell the user what you want. Say enter your name. Now this function will prompt an input box on the screen when your web page is loaded. Now the user will read the message and it will enter some text inside the text box. Now and then the user will press OK or submit button. So the box will accept that text or whatever input the user have provided. Okay, and it will provide it to your script. So here we have to use one variable, say n. Okay, and whatever is returned from the prompt function we have to store it in a variable. Okay, suppose that we have accepted that in the variable n and now we want to print it. So we will write document dot write and inside that the variable. Okay, save it and then run. Saying enter your name. We will write John and we'll press OK. So after reading it, the message is printed on the web page with the help of document.write. So here we have understood how we can create a variable by using the keyword where and then variable name. We have seen how to accept an input from the user and how we can print it. Okay, now what we'll do is we will try to perform one arithmetic operation, that is addition of two numbers. Okay, and we will try to execute it. Now we have to remember just one thing over here, that whenever we use prompt function in our script, so the prompt function will always accept the value entered by the user in string format. Okay, if you tell your user to enter any number and if you store it in a variable, so that number will be stored as character, okay, and not as number. So let's start with the aim of our experiment. We'll start by creating some variables, say n1, then n2 and then n3, three variables for calculation addition of two numbers. Then we will write, say n1, we will write the prompt function and we will ask the user to enter the first number and we will store it in n1. Then inside n2 we will ask the user to enter the second number. After accepting the number, we will calculate the addition. Sorry, n3 equal to n1 plus n2. After the calculation, we will print it. So we'll print n3. Okay, now here, as I said, that the prompt will accept anything as string format, so we have to convert that entered number from string to some decimal value, say integer data type. So to convert it, we can use parse int function in JavaScript, provided by the JavaScript. Similarly here, like this, save it and then run it. Enter the first number, say 2, then enter second number, say 3. Okay, so addition of both the numbers, it is printed on your screen. So this is how you can accept anything from the user, you can accept or you can print anything on the screen, and you can perform some calculation like arithmetic expression that we did, and this is how you can create a variable in JavaScript. Thank you.